good to see you and see you again, and also to meet Marcella. And we're joined by the Attorney General and Minister responsible for climate change to this program yesterday. And to those of you who participate in another, our Chief Negotiator in Martin and James. We also have my support team, you guys, Special Advisor to Minister Cyril Ratu. As I said, Christine is Special Advisor to Minister Cyril Ratu, who is, but as you all know, is very active over the past